Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to read a property file from using Spring Framework annotations. Let me show you the Java config file. So I have a properties with Java config file I've written, and this Java config file is equal to an XML file prior to Spring 3. So prior to Spring 3, we were using XML files. So after Spring 3, we can use Java file for all the configuration. So I have to mark this class as configuration so that Spring can understand and I can register all the beans that I interested. Then I want to tell something about properties source. It's going to hold the properties file class path from the class path, and this is the property file. Just want to show you there are 4 values in this property file I wish to read in this demo. So I'm going to read these 3 values, okay, from this property file, and who is going to do the role, let's see. And these are the 3 variables, and if you see here, these are the keys that is present in the database.properties file. So I have the key here, okay, key. So the intention is someone has to read from this property file and has to inject those values in these 3 variables. So the task is done by property sources placeholder configurer. This class is very important. This is the file, this is the class file which is going to read from this property file, and it's going to inject all these 3 values into these variables. And if I, for example, if I don't have this bean at all, what will happen is from this property file it will not be injected at all. So we need this bean for sure. And after the values are injected, I will start using it, and I'm going to display it in my app class. Let me debug this so that you can understand. So I started the debugging. Now we are going to load the configuration file, Spring configuration file, and yes, I just want to show you when exactly the properties are injected. If you see now, the properties are not injected yet, but the moment I create this bean property sources placeholder configurer, all my values are ready. I just want to show you again. Can you see this? Yeah, properties are ready. That means property sources placeholder configurer class has read this property file and set all these 3 values. Now we can start using the properties that we read from the property file. So can you see this? 3 properties have been read from the property file using Spring annotation. This main annotations are property source, value, and the classes property sources placeholder configurer. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.